Less than 48 hours after the Supreme Court pulled up the Karnataka government asking it to release 9,000 cusecs of water daily to Tamil Nadu, protesters took to the streets in Karnataka. For 4 hours, they held a sit-in on the Mysore-Bangalore highway and protested outside the Krishna Raja Sagar Dam. While all of them were taken into preventive custody, with more protests planned this week, the interstate water war seems far from over. The epicenter of the latest round of Karnataka-Tamil Nadu water wars. Farmers and pro-Kannada organizations spearheading protests against the release of Kaveri River water by Karnataka to Tamil Nadu. Laying siege to the Bangalore-Mysore highway and the Krishna Raja Sagar Dam in Mandya district. After 4 hours of protest, the police stepping in, cordoning off the dam and rounding up each of the 150 protesters.
Around 150 persons, Rait Sangha people, under the leadership of Puttanaya, they staged a Rastaroko here. We have taken them to custody and they are in the police station.
The Chief Minister left with no choice but to implement the Kaveri River Authority order after the Supreme Court threw its weight behind it, now appealing for calm.
I appeal to all the farmers, all the public that peace should not be disturbed. You maintain the peace, I call, and we'll, as a state government, as a chief minister, we'll protect the interest of our farmers.
But with farmers and activists issuing a clarion call for more protests and Karnataka planning to seek legal redressal, this may just be the beginning of yet another protracted water war.
Protests by farmers and pro-Kannada organizations are likely to continue into Monday, even as the Karnataka government is to approach the Supreme Court with a review petition. As the issue of water sharing with Tamil Nadu has caused many a flare-up in the past, farmers are enraged that the Karnataka government is releasing water to the neighbouring state in the dead of the night. At the KRS Dam in Srirangpatna, with Vithal, Aslesha Beliappa for Times Now.